This is what you call a king's breakfast. Tamarind juice. What's this? Long leg.
Tamarind juice. What is tamarind? Ah, yeah. This is onion in
Onion in a pickle-like sauce. And what's this long leg?
pickle.
Mixture.
Yeah.
Mixture of stuff. And what's this?
Olives.
Olives. And what's this?
Pickles.
Pickles. And what's this? Cocoa tea. Bread. Hummus. Mango. Little spicy salt. Little napkins. Wipes. Butter. Bread and butter, the receptacle for the cheese, forks, toothpick, tangerine, bananas, eggs from a chicken and from a small bird, quail. King's breakfast. Let me tell you something. When I was in America, they treated me like shit. I fucking true, you know. Got all my fucking money. I refused to give it to me. While I was in my own fucking house. That's after. My own fucking house. What the manager did, gave her and the children medical insurance. I had none, as if I was never fucking important. Yes, what it did to me. Treat me like shit. When my time for my clothes come from tour, saw my clothes in the corner. Refused to take my shit to the laundry. You see, I was stuck with a racist fucking little bitch since we have 3 kids. Shit was going on from way back when we have 2 kids. Found a love letter that you, Rebecca Ann Wills, was about to send to your little fucking quote-unquote ex-boyfriend Zeus. The nigga who beat the fuck out of you. And curse your father. It's what the fuck you did to me. Got these rich fucking white folks money and management money. A little bitch who never had a pot to piss in. Homeless like a fuck. You will pay for this motherfucker, you know. Your children gonna leave. Your children gonna leave and come to me, their fucking father, bitch. What the fuck you did to Eek-A-Mouse, huh? What am having? Yeah. This where I'm living? Some women are different, you know. Yep, I'll tell you that. While some are good. Tea. Well, if it get cold, I got the microwave. Did you know there was a woman president? Did you know that? Okay. Let's go back to 1913, all them times. Okay. Who's that? The 28th president? Hoover Wilson? Wow. You always go on tour and doing shit and go to all them shit, keep a little meeting every day in the situation room and shit. Once he decided not to come out, well, the president said, where the fuck he is? Edith, his wife, said, sure, he's busy right now. He's working indoors. For months, the press can't see him. Where's the president at? Is he committing suicide? Is he going crazy? Because they think that was the first Donald Trump, you know. You didn't know that? Yeah. Donald Trump, wake up America. Donald Trump, when you leave office, this is how we eat. What the fuck you making there, long leg? Gold?
What?
What the fuck you making there? Let me see it.
I was just fixing this.
You just fixing it? Yeah, no, soon one of these days you get diamonds and
I like
precious
this
stone.
more than diamonds.
That's more diamond?
I like this more than
Oh,
diamonds.
fuck, you see that? Long legs love them more than diamond. Long legs love Africa. Long legs sending gift to Africa. We give to Africa. Yeah, no food, no tent. From Syria to Yemen. We think about them hungry children in Trenchtown. But anyway. Hoover had a stroke while in the Oval Office, you know. Yeah. Couldn't even have strength to eat or right to this pen. Who the fuck was there doing the job? Edith. Yeah, there was also one other Edith, you know. Vive la France! Edith Piaf. And by Josephine Baker. Okay. You see, don't know your history. I know your fucking destiny. Bob Marley said. Yeah. Big cup of tea. The Burning Spear said, all who not sleep, get a cup of tea. Have another teapot. And Burning Spear will love you. For months, years, he's in the Oval Office. Sick as fuck. I had a stroke. She let nobody know. She just typing out all the shit, you know, typing out all the shit. Typing out all the fucking shit. That's what Donald Trump's wife did. She said, Donald, because she wrote all the speech of Donald Trump. You don't know what, you know? Oh. She talk about her English. She's a fucking genius, a beauty queen, a genius, that beauty of fucking brain. Not like some little motherfucking bitch who's beautiful and rob me. Yeah. Can't do it all the fucking time. Now come in your fucking life and want to have fucking kids, then need money. Should that chick fuck up Mick Jagger? Ain't that right, Mick Jagger? Supermodel from Brazil, world supermodel, get pregnant for her baby and say, fuck you, Donald Trump. Give me about $4 million a fucking year. Yeah, but they gave her all my fucking money. 4.5 fucking million that I made in 4 fucking years. You see this difference? Some beauty queen are sluts, you know. Let me eat it down. Well, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. Beauty queen was a slut. 3 years Bob Marley knocking at her pussy door. And she won't open her pussy hole. Until Bob Marley sing, I shot the sheriff. Remake by Eric Clapton. Oh, Bob, you're some pussy. Bend down low. Let me tell you what I know. Because Bob Marley was eating her pussy, you know. That's why I'm saying bend down low. Let me tell you what I blood clot know. Yeah. Can you imagine Peter Tosh hate Bob Marley? Call Bob Marley gay. But these fucking Bubba Dreads, they must call him Bob Marley gay, you know, because there was no Bubba Dread into reggae until Bob Marley recused himself, you know. Yeah, say Bob Marley was white, and Bob Marley pants ain't got no pockets, and it's and shit, and he's gay, and he take cocaine and all kind of thing, and he eat pussy and all kind of shit. Look at Butcher Bantam caught eating a kilo of cocaine. I see Rastafari, yeah. Look at Sizzler. They found about 10 guns underneath his house. Special one with a red, gold, and green. Who's the new rebel now? Who's the new terrorist? The Houthi terrorist, you know. Yeah. Next neighbor is Saudi Arabia. Them black, huh? Them Negroes, you know. You talk about the crown prince or the clown prince. Oops. Upside your fucking head. Richest niggas in the world, they got oil, you know. Trillionaire, you know. Yep. Oh. Breakfast. No. Edith Hoover. She was there in the White House typing, sending on shit to her government, sending on shit. Yeah. All the president will say, good wife. Yeah. For years she was doing that. At least 3 years. While I was in the White House. It's when when he finished his time in the White House, you know, like Trump, you know, they knew about it. So Edith Hoover was the first female president. Oh, think about president. What's up, Donald Coke? Donald Trump. Please kindly release Donald Coke from Jamaica. Yeah. Like that, Donald Coke. Never have a passport. Never fly on a plane or a fucking boat. Never like him. Extradite him. Big up Tivoli Heights. Chongolese where my what I say. A old boy now. Eek-A-Mouse up here, rude boy. Eek-A-Mouse, me a rude blood clot boy. Pussy hole down a bumble hole. Yes. Breakfast nice, huh? Don't have to worry about flies and shit. They like Europe, you know. They ain't got too much flies here, you know. Out of a million flies, only 2 flies, because we can't kill all the flies, you know. They are like a roach with them segmented body. Only a roach can survive a nuclear blast, you know. Roach. Yeah. Sometimes I feel like going back to school, you know. The old I get is the wiser, I guess. Yes, them bitch in America fuck me the fuck up. In that right station avant-garde now. Live on her friend's couch. Her pimp boyfriend kicked her the fuck out after 7 years. Ungrateful bitch. Still holding on to my fucking designer garments. And I gave her a brand new fucking BMW. Blue one. She called it Midnight Blue. And off she went in the sunset. I said, motherfucker, you ain't that right, Barbara? Give her a nice apartment next to Venice Beach. Yeah, what, $2,000 a month? Nice Jaguar. Ain't that right, bitch? She makes sure that she kicked me out of the fucking country. Not that she had me located in the country, but she changed my shit. to her shit. Right here, honey. She and these fucking Nigerians. Shady Nigerians in Los Angeles, you know. They go to prison, you know. Yeah. For immigration fraud and tax fraud and all kind of shit. Especially her daughter named Anastasia White. You're going to prison. At the time you were 19, and you was not working, you weren't working, I wasn't working, I was not working, and you had $3,000 wired to you by the American government. Mr. Trump and Mr. Biden, Barbara White Crow, aka Barbara Crow, aka Barbara White, and her daughter, Anastasia White. Check out Anastasia White because she was in jail for 7 months pregnant when she tried to sell a rent-a-car that she rented. Anastasia White. Check her out for me. I did no Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty? Oh, a Statue of Liberty of Limitation. You go to prison, little bitch. And check it out. Barbara was in prison for 3 years for credit card fraud. And she gave her testify against her married boyfriend and gave him 60 years in prison. Yep. The man had to kill him, best friend, in front of her. I think it was a crime of passion. She fought the man's best friend. Went to the man's house and tried to tell the guy, say, hey, go in there and get my jacket. Material bitch, you know. The guy said, what the fuck are you in my house? Tell the bitch and leave. The guy, the fuck you. And throw a stone in the guy's mirror, glass door in Beverly Hills. One of them shit. And the man said, okay, wait, I'll catch you. So Barbara and the guy was at the hotel, just fuck and come downstairs. The guy wait. Boom! Right in front of her, asked her. That little bitch. Acting pretty. Little bitch. When I call girls, I didn't know about shit, you know. I get this bitch so easy. Thought I was lucky. Lucky a bumbuckler. Coming after you motherfuckers, you know. So some of you fuck say, I want my children in America to hear the fucking message, and my children in Jamaica to hear the fucking message. I think I got one more child in Canada. I think so. Dick. Well, you don't know. You just fuck it up. Yeah, but it's getting... Yeah. Wanna stay happy? I'm having some breakfast Donald Trump. And we know you love reggae, you know. So we love Donald Trump. They can't do a fuck to you. You're the greatest president ever fucking live. Yes, Mr. President. Because most of these motherfuckers in Congress, Capitol is a bunch of fucking racists. You know that? Yeah. Wake up and smell the coffee. Ding ding. Ding.